Rostra's 250-8222 standalone LCD monitor provides quad-screen versatility in a compact package. The 250-8222 monitor features a 7-inch diagonal viewing area, built-in sunshade for better daytime visibility, a multi-position pedestal mount and 9-foot extension harness which allows for a variety of installation locations, a 4-pin to RCA adapter harness, and an IR remote for controlling on-screen functionality. The 250-8222 has the ability to display video from front and rear cameras that have been installed on a vehicle, with the added benefit of being able to recognize the flashing pulse of a turn signal in order to display video from cameras mounted on the left and right-hand sides of that vehicle when a turn signal is activated. The viewing options for installed cameras don't stop with just these 4 views. Using the remote control included with this monitor allows the driver to select a split-screen view that works best for them, with the option to go full screen with any installed camera as needed by pressing any of the 4 channel buttons on the face of the monitor. We hope you'll take the time to visit us online at Rostra.com to view this product and other great fleet safety equipment from VSM Rostra.